guys, it's your girl Mahogany Nicole, and today I am going to be showing you guys a quick and simple tutorial on how to achieve these bohemian locks that I have in right now. Y'all, this is my favorite style. This is my favorite style. This is it. A lot of people love this style on me, including myself. So I was like, you know what? Why not do a quick tutorial on this style? So real quick, I'm going to show you guys how long these locks are. I am 5'9", so let me show you guys. I'm 5'9". Damn! All the way a little past my butt. Yeah. So let's get straight into the video. First, I'm gonna start off with the hair, the type of hair that I decided to get for this style. So the first is this passion twist hair that you should be able to find at your local beauty supply store. It is called Made. I'm not exactly sure. My nails look a mess. But Made Beauty Braid Passion Pop 18-inch. And yeah, and this was $11.99. And I honestly think that I used maybe a pack or two packs of this. Maybe I would get 3 just in case, depending on how many locks you want in your head. But this was $11.99 a pack. And I also used some lock hair, I used some crochet locks to put in my hair. New locks, it says Bobby Boss new locks in the color 1B, and I used 14 inches. So this is what this looks like, and this hair was $7.99 a pack. So yes, that hair was $7.99 a pack. And I used what, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I had used 3 packs of the 14-inch new Bobby new locks, and I had used 2 packs of the 18-inch Bobby new locks. I did the extended method, and just to save me a little time, the 18 inches did come in handy a little bit. And then I went for the front, I went ahead and used the 14 inches and made sure I extended those. I used about 2 or 3 depending on how I felt or how it looked. 2 or 3 extended locks and did it that way. But you guys will get the simple, I will show you guys how I did that in a sec. And then to add the little curl or whatever, you know, I got another right here, little curl. I used the free twist braid crocheted hair, and this is the go-go curl 26-inch. So yeah, let's get right into it. You're going to need a comb, some edge control, some type of oil to oil your hair after you're done, and a crochet needle. This is key. You're gonna need a crochet needle and the hair, of course. I started off with I made sure I left these out to do for you guys. I've been having this hair in for a while, for about 1 or 2 weeks, so it looks a little old, but I left these out because I knew I wanted to do a tutorial. So this has been sitting, so this is why I look a little, it don't look as fresh, but yes, this is what this is looking like right now. So basically what you want to do for this style, you just want to braid your hair into singles all around. So I did like kind of pretty medium big size parts because I didn't want that many in there. So yes, this is what it's looking like. First, what you want to do is, so I have 2 14-inch locks right here, 2 14-inch locks. And what you want to do is, so you want to go to the top of where the hole is, and oh, it's kind of hard because my nails are gone. You want to go to wherever the hole is, and you see, you got that little loop. And then you want to take your crochet needle. Let me pin this other hair up. This out the way. Then you want to take your crochet needle. You want to start off with the crochet needle, and you want to take that and put it through the braid. You're going to take that loop. And you're going to put that loop onto this, see? And then you want to close it like so. Pull it through, unlatch it, boom. And then I take my hair and I take the lock in my hair and put it through the loop like so, and pull. And I will show you guys that again for the next two. And then you see how the hair is twisting, the lock is naturally twisting this way. You want to twist it the opposite way. You see what it's doing? And then you want to take that braid, and the way that it was naturally twisting, you want to wrap it. Ooh, I got makeup in. You want to wrap it around the braid. A lot of people don't do this. They just leave it like so, and then just wrap the passion twist hair around it. But I like to do this. This is just what I like to do. But yes, and you're just going to wrap it and rip it. And it does not have to be perfect at all. Are locks perfect? No, they're never perfect. Boom. So this is what you have. And then to extend it, all I do is I take another lock like so. Whoa, no, I'm looking so orange. Take another lock like so, and you want to take this one, put it through, and all I do is just make a knot. That's it. I just tie it, literally. Just tie it. Just tie it like so, and then I tie it again just to make sure it's secure. You can leave it sticking out like this, or you can just wrap it around that bottom lock. Just, and boom. That's what you have for the extended look. Okay, now you're going to take your passion twist hair. And this is what I do. So I kind of like stretch it out a little bit. So what this is, the hair, I already had unraveled the hair already. The passion twist hair comes twisted already, like other passion twist hair, but all I did was the hair already unraveled all the hair already. And yeah, so this is what it looks like after it's unraveled. And low, like that. Okay, and then what I do is I pick an end. This end doesn't matter, and I just take the passion twist hair like so, put it like this. So you see it's two different lengths, and I wrap it. I make sure to put it at the top, all the way to the top, and I wrap it around like this. Wrap it. My edges. And you just want to make sure it's tight and secure. And you want to keep wrapping it at the top, like so. And then you wrap it down. to give it this, you know, messy butterfly look, you want to use your thumb. This is when your thumb comes in handy. Ow, I got a hangnail and the hair keeps getting stuck on my finger. Okay, so you just want to have your thumb like so, bring it down, and then just keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. It just gives it that messy look, and this is not a perfect hairstyle, so you can do it however you want. You just keep wrapping all the way. You keep doing the same thing and bring your thumb down. It was kind of difficult for me at first because I'm like, it's still, you know, it still looks neat, and I don't want it to look neat. I like that messy look, and you just keep wrapping it all the way down, all the way down. And let me get up so y'all can see. First time I ever done this style, I had used super glue to set this so it can stay, but this time I decided to just use some Got2b spray and call it a day. That's what I did. So I literally sprayed it. You probably don't need that much. And I just wrap up. Now this one I kind of usually I leave a little more hair to wrap up some, but I guess it just really doesn't matter. You can do that, whatever people be doing, but I just kind of like stick it and boom, and that's your lock, y'all. Y'all see that? Period. Can't tell me nothing, can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing, can't tell. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, all right, let's get into the next. Oh, I'm going to speed this up for y'all, and boom. again, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this tutorial for you guys. I hope I made it as simple as possible because it's not hard at all. It's not hard. It's just literally a watch, look, learn type of thing. It's not hard. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you get my point. If you guys have any comments, questions, or anything, you guys can comment below or DM me. Follow me on my Instagram at iheart.mahogany. iheart. Which is a period, mahogany. But yes, I cannot wait for you guys to try this look. It is so cute, one of my favorites. To my ladies, girl, we good. And that's the end of that. And I hope you guys are having a blessed, amazing, and peaceful day. Bye.
Shit, I need to know what you gonna do. I ain't tryna go through deja vu.